RobotFX delivers curated Forex news to keep you informed on key market events. Dutch manufacturing production returned to growth in March 2026, rising 2.8 month-over-month, according to data updated on 8 May 2026. The rebound follows a 1.2 month-over-month decline recorded in February 2026, signaling a marked improvement in industrial activity. The month-over-month comparison shows that while February's output had contracted versus January, March managed not only to reverse the drop, but to post a solid expansion. This shift suggests a stabilization in manufacturing conditions after a weak start to the year, with March's gains more than offsetting the previous month's decline. Market participants and policymakers are likely to view the stronger March reading as a positive sign for the Netherlands' industrial sector, though sustainability of the recovery will depend on how production trends evolve in the coming months. Experience adaptive trading with the Fluid Expert Advisor for MT4 MT5s. Dynamic money management and trend detection. Click for info. The material has been provided by RobotFX.org. Pair this news with automation. Explore RobotFX MT4 MT5 solutions today.